Welcome back to Clarissa's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite cassava flour garlic pita bread. It is gluten-free, paleo, and nut-free. So make sure that you guys subscribe and let's get on to the recipe. For this recipe, use 3/4 cup of cassava flour, and I'm using Otto's Naturals brand. I will list the link right down below if you guys are interested. And I am adding 2 tablespoons of salt, then 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. Make sure to mix the dry ingredients together. Next, you'll need to add 1/2 cup of warm water, and then we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. As you continue to stir, feel free to add more warm water as needed. I'm just doing it in increments until I get the dough-like consistency that I need. Once the dough forms its shape, set it aside and grab 2 pieces of parchment paper. My parchment paper was quite large, so I just split it in half, or actually just cut it down with a pair of scissors. Then you'll grab a fistful of dough and start forming it into a ball. Now this recipe makes 6 pieces of pita bread, so make sure to keep the portion size in mind. And it may be easier to divide the dough into 6 portions before you start this next part. Again, take 1 parchment paper, then add the dough, take another parchment paper, and then use the back side of a pan to press it down. If you have a tortilla press, you can definitely use that as well. I am just showing the alternative way because I actually don't have a tortilla press, and I bet most people don't have it either, so this is definitely a great option. And you'll see towards the end, like I added a tad bit more water into the dough mixture just because the first couple of pita breads looked a little dry on the edges, and this one that I'll be making, actually these last 2, turned out a lot better because the edges were a lot more smooth. Now heat up a pan on medium-high heat, and I tend to like my pita bread have a little bit more crisp texture, so I usually add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the pan. Each side takes about 2 to 3 minutes, and once both sides are cooked, lower the heat to medium or medium-low, and once the pita bread starts to make a bubble-shaped form, that's when you'll know it's ready. There you have it, a quick and simple 5-ingredient pita bread that's gluten-free, paleo, and nut-free. This is perfect to serve with pasta, hummus, as a side dish, or just even a quick snack. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to give this a thumbs up, as well as subscribe and hit the notification bell for new recipes posted every week on my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in Clarissa's Kitchen.